In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize products on Shopify. Let's get started by opening your browser and heading to shopify.com. From the homepage, click Login, sign in with your email, or use one of the available sign-in options you normally use. Once you're in your admin, we'll do all of our organizing from the navigation on the left. Click Products to see everything in your catalog, then choose Collections. Collections are groups of products that make it easier for customers to browse your store, like new arrivals, sale, or summer essentials. Organizing here keeps your storefront tidy and helps with merchandising, search, and filtering. Now place your products into the right collections. If you already have collections set up, assign products so each item appears where shoppers expect to find it. A clear structure prevents duplicates and confusion. For example, a gifts under $50 collection should include only items that fit that price point, while a men's shoes collection should contain just those products. Keep your grouping consistent so customers can move quickly from browsing to checkout. Open a collection to fine-tune it. Inside, you'll see the products that belong there. This is a great moment to review the lineup and make sure the images, titles, and pricing look consistent. If something feels out of place, adjust which collections it belongs to so the theme of the collection stays clear. Next, click Sort to organize how products appear within that collection. You can sort by best-selling, price, newest, or alphabetical to match your merchandising strategy. If you prefer a custom order, choose the manual option and drag items into the exact sequence you want. Place high-priority products at the top. Think best-selling items, seasonal highlights, or high-margin products, so they're seen first. Finally, add tags to your products. Tags are simple labels like organic, leather, or blue that help you organize behind the scenes and power storefront filters. They also work beautifully with collections that use conditions. When your collection is set to include products that match certain tags or keywords, Shopify will automatically put matching products inside. That means once you've tagged a product correctly, it will appear in the right collection without any extra clicks, saving you time and keeping your store consistent. That's the workflow. Log in, go to products, open collections, place items where they belong, adjust the display order with sort, and use tags to keep everything organized and working automatically. Follow this routine regularly, and your storefront will stay clean, intuitive, and ready to convert.